until it goes off. What do we do? Is my lighting right? Can you see me? Do I look important? I just want to draw them in and then I'll put some clothes on.
Yes.
I want to reel them in and then just talk. Good? No? Clarissa.
Shit. This freaking camera.
You are killing me.
I'm trying. Because I'm retarded and I can't.
You're killing me,
I'm the
Solly.
only one that can't run a freaking camera.
Okay. I'm going to have this in another. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you really recording?
I've been trying to fix the fucking camera, man.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
Seriously?
Pissing me off. This whole
Oh
time.
Jesus. Oh my god, my mascara. How do you people do this in the network? I don't understand. You must have people wiping your faces, wiping your ass. I don't have time. Oh Lord Jesus.
And me, I still can't get this shit right.
Cut.